Hey, what's up? This is JoJo ZOLINA. Once again, this is on our third video, how to whack basic arm rolls and arm placement. So you could do this as fast as you want or as slow as you want. So hey guys, it's gonna get more complicated right here because we're using our arm placement, arm rolls, and the different pathways now, okay? So we're gonna start with the basic rolls, going up and down with both of your arms together. All right, we're going alternate them, right arm. You can do it as fast as you want and as slow as you want, okay? Different arm pathways. We're going first with the right, we're going to the left, and then both arm goes up and rolling it down back to the neutral position. We're gonna speed it up, but you don't have to. Make sure you be consistent and program all those muscles and all the foundations. Make sure you have that techniques of your engaging your core, your posture is up, you're breathing properly, okay? It changes, your breath changes when you do it fast. So make sure you pay attention to that and be aware of all your whole entire body, how they work. All right, cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching my third video. I hope you got a great workout. That's a really great workout for your arms and a lot of arm pathways in there. And hope you leave me a comment because I want to hear everything. What's your progression and what you want to work on and everything. Just hit me up, or you can follow me on the description down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day, guys.